Let's face it, posting on social media without engagement feels like talking to a brick wall. But here's the secret. Engagement starts with conversation, and conversation starts with the right questions. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn reward engagement. More comments equals more reach equals more growth. And the best way to spark replies? Ask a question. But not just any question. Ask one that's easy to answer and makes people feel seen. Try this. Coffee or tea? What's your 2025 goal? Would you rather go viral once or build a loyal 10,000 following? Questions like these are psychological triggers. They tap into curiosity, emotion, and identity, all things that drive people to comment, like, and share. Want bonus reach? Tease the answer, share your own story in the comments, or ask your audience to fill in the blank. The more real it feels, the more they'll respond. So next time you post, don't just talk at your audience. Talk with them. Ask a question. Spark a conversation. That's how your content breaks through.